The Travel Agent module allows a travel agent to book rooms for their guest with a special discount as contracted with the property. To add a new travel agent, the property must first navigate to the Booking Engine tab and select Travel Agent. Then click on Add and enter the details of the new travel agent, also selecting which rates will the agent have access to from the Packages tab. During the process, ensure all necessary information is filled in accurately. Carefully review the entered details for accuracy. It is also essential to create a new code for the travel agent to track their bookings effectively. Double-check that all mandatory fields are completed. As you continue, confirm each step of the process. Pay close attention to the contractual details. Ensure that the discount arrangements are correctly entered. Verify the terms and conditions associated with the booking. Make note of any specific requirements or instructions. Before finalizing, double-check all the entered information again. If everything is in order, proceed to the next step. Once all the details are entered, click on Save. You have now successfully added the new travel agent.